This 24-roll pack of Scotch Book Tape is designed specifically for book repair, so it holds up far better than ordinary office tape on frequently handled pages and covers. The permanent adhesive grips firmly to book cloth, coated paper, and glossy dust jackets, which helps keep loose covers, frayed edges, and split spines from getting worse over time. Its clear finish stays transparent and does not noticeably cloud text or artwork, making it suitable for preserving both reading copies and display pieces. The tape conforms well around corners and along spines, so you can reinforce high-stress areas without creating stiff ridges that catch when books are shelved or pulled out. Each roll provides a generous length of tape, which is especially useful for libraries, classrooms, and collectors who need to tackle many small repairs rather than replacing worn books. The tape unwinds smoothly and cuts cleanly, so once you get into a rhythm, you can work through a stack of repairs quickly with consistent, neat results.